Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today's topic is about Windows 7. Yeah children, Windows 7 is one of the best operating system. I already said na operating system is nothing but which operates all the parts of the computer and does all the actions of the computers. This acts as the interface between the user and a computer. Do you know Windows was developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company, and it was founded by Bill Gates. He is Bill Gates. The first edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1995 and it was called as Windows 95. And also increased uses of technology and continuous research lead to the development of advanced editions of Windows. Yeah, you already know that there are many types of Windows: Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. This is the most recent release preview of Windows 10 is available for downloaded in mainly how many languages? There are mainly 1100, 111 languages in this Windows. There are many types of Windows. See, this is Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7. Yeah, for all these three types of pictures, what did you observe? That Windows logo was same to each and every picture. See, Windows Vista, Windows XP, and Windows 7. Clear, children? Do you know that there are many features of Windows 7? What are those features of Windows 7? Windows 7 has become very popular because it is a user friendly environment. There are mainly few silent features of Windows 7. What are they? These windows are faster and more secure. There is more, and it is easy to use, and also it can be easily learned. Yeah, and also it is going to have best memory management, and also more personal. You can redecorate your desktop, and also new themes and slideshows and gadgets can be also there. Jump list of Windows 7 takes you right to the documents and also pictures, songs, or any websites. You can use this every day in this Windows. Taskbar also it has better previews, and also it can be easily seen all the icons, and also has desired best desired to the user. Windows provides aeropic feature that makes your open windows transparent, so you can see your desktop clearly. It also allows to peek at items on your taskbar like preview, thumbnail preview, and also it can also maintain the personalized work environment through multiple user support. In this Windows mainly what's means it is faster to use, it has some securities, and also it has better management. It can redecorate the desktop, it can change the slideshows of the desktop, and also it has better previews and also best icons you can see in this Windows 7. And also you can see that there is a transparent windows open in the desktop itself, and also peak items of the taskbar has a thumbnail preview. It can maintain the personalized work environment also with multiple user support. See how we can go to Windows. You can see in this picture mainly Windows can also enjoy the music or videos through CD, DVD, and also MP3. With the high definition games can be seen in home PC itself, and also it has global connectivity, and it can receive, send emails, view files, and also can run the programs on your computer. This can be used everywhere and anywhere through the world itself, throughout the world. Yeah children, suppose if you want to create a new document mm, of a Windows 7, there are various features, right? how we have to approach Windows. Firstly, you open the computer, click on the start button and all programs. Then you can get all the accessories, and also you can getting started option. Clear children? This is the way how you can open Windows 7 features. Clear children? I hope that everyone understood the topic of Windows 7 and also features of Windows 7. Different types of Windows means I already said you that there are 111 types of languages in this. I hope that everyone understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you can clarify in online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.